Today we are going to do chromatography, and the first step is to draw a line with pencil 1 centimeter from the bottom of the chromatography plate. You want to use pencil because pen has ink and the ink will react with the stationary phase. The dye is the mobile phase and that reacts with the stationary phase. Chromatography, the use is in order to separate the dyes to see what's in them, and you do this by drawing. Reactions will go up and they will move through the chromatography plate, and the more reactions that occur within the mobile phase and the stationary phase, the less movement will be seen. And so with this, you're first preparing the plate by placing small amounts of dye on the line. You want them evenly spaced in about the same amount on each, and you're using a little capillary tube in order to release the dye. This is about what you want to see, not too close. Then once that's finished, you're going to put the prepared chromatography plate in a beaker and select the stationary solution that you're going to use to start the reactions. And when you're putting it in, you do not want the solution to reach the line. You just want it to grace the bottom of it so that it will draw up into the chromatography plate and start the reactions. So once you have the desired amount of solution, you will seal the top using saran wrap and let it stand for about 10 minutes or until 3 to 4 centimeters is done. You don't want the solution to reach the top because then you will draw all the solution. So after this is finished, you're going to take out the chromatography plate, and as you can see, the solutions have been separated, and then you're going to measure from the line to the top of the stationary solution first, the highest amount. Then from there, you're going to measure from the line to the middle of the dye. And once that is finished, you're going to divide the distance of the dye from the distance of the solution in order to get the, again, we're going to show the process of creating a chromatography plate. And again, it's just small amounts on each one. The cleanup of this is the capillary tubes will be thrown wherever your TA says, and the plates can be thrown out. Once the chromatography plate is prepared, it's going to be put in a different amount of solution. But it's going to be the same process. You just get the desired solution into the beaker, and you want it tilted a little bit. You don't want it bent. And as you can see, we had to flip it over. You want the line sign down at the bottom, and it's at the bottom. You just want a little bit in there, not too much, to cover the bottom of the beaker. And once that is done, you're going to let it stand for 10 minutes or until it's 3 to 4 centimeters away from the top of the plate, because again, you do not want the solution to reach the top of the plate. And once that is done, you take it and you are going to seal it with saran wrap and a rubber band and let it stand for about 10 minutes. You need the saran wrap there in order to make sure no air is in there for the reactions. Then again, you'll take it out and you're going to measure from the line to the middle of the solution, and then you will find the RF value.